Assalamualaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Friends, we have Sacrensun 150 ampere battery. Today we learn how can we change dry contact normal open to normal close. This is dry contact. We have two dry contacts. By default it's normal open. Today we check how can we change normal close. Check please. This is normal open. Okay, let's go. We open our software, login and connect, then parameter, and after parameter switch, click to switch, then go to these options. This option SRS1063, we will select this option. And click to download. You can see setting order successfully. Now we will check its change to normal close. Check please. Port number 1, dry contact number 1 normal close, and dry number 2 is normal close. If you need normal open, then you can use normal by normal open. You need normal close, then you can change normal close. Dry contact change this one, RS1063. Now we go to values. Second thing, how can we change charging current limit? This option is current. We will go this option is charging limit current. Charging limit current, it's by default 15 ampere. We can change, double click 10 and download. You can see our order successfully execute. Now it's 10 ampere. If you need more less, you can do. Thank you so much.